It is time for another episode of Des Driven. And today we are going to be removing the wheel covers of the brand new 2024 Model 3 Performance. Here's a little clip with the Aero covers still on, right? How it comes stock from the factory, and they look pretty good, right? But for me, once you take the Aero covers off, you're able to see the calipers in the back, and not only for the look. On Saturday, I'm going to be racing Bud and Willow, and it just seems to me, right? Check this out. If the Aero covers are off, it's going to give more room for the brakes to breathe. In turn, the brakes are going to be cooler. So we'll see. Not sure how it's going to play out, but I really like the look of the Aero covers off. So here's before. All right, so I have this trim remover tool, basic trim remover tool from Amazon, right? And this is the one I like to use. It's definitely pretty sturdy. And this is the end I'm going to use when removing the Aero covers. There's two different sections right here that have pressure points, right? Top right, top left. And what you need to do is, let's start with one section. You're gonna need to hear a pop, right? So there's one pop, right? And then let's go pop out the other side, right? There we go. We got two pops. Once you hear those two pops, here we go. Let's just grab it like firmly and pull. There we go. For me, I like to work with the Aero covers on top, right? So let's get these bad boys back on top, like right about here. When you take off the wheel cover, there may be little scuffs like this, right? But these are scuffs from the actual wheel covers, like little plastic from the wheel cover. So for me, I'm using this track spray that literally takes off everything. Spray that on a little microfiber towel, and then let's just go at that scuff, right? Let's basically just rub out that scuff as if you were like buffing out any other little scratch on a car. I'm putting a decent amount of force in there, not crazy, but a decent amount, just getting that plastic rubbed off. And then right there, for the most part, the scuff is gone, and it's literally a game changer, night and day difference. All right, now here's the after shot. Wheel covers off. Check out those red calipers. I could finally see them. Front. Here we go to the rear. Woo! Night and day difference. The wheels are not cleaned yet, still gonna wash the car, but for just taking off the wheel covers, that is a night and day difference. Check this out. You're gonna wanna subscribe because in 2 days, we are taking this bad girl all the way to Bud and Willow, where we are gonna push it to the absolute limit. The goal is to sub to 100% stock. We'll see what happens, but you're gonna have to see on the next one. So buckle up and let's get it.